Welcome to ATP Customs. It is Monday morning, May 25th, 2020. Just wanted to do a little weekly report and give you an update on how our last week and weekend has gone. We've had some fun, ran into lots of problems before filming, during filming, all that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd give you a quick rundown on what we were dealing with. So Matt White and I and Tammy from Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen were on our way to film Bob, 5 Days of Bob this weekend. And we took Jimmy and took Matt White's Mustang and went to get propane, and the propane pumps quit working. And when I went to start Jimmy, the starter, which is my second starter this month, starter was a no-go. So I had to have my Jimmy towed at $176. Matt White had to take his Mustang home. It was overheating while he was waiting for me at the gas station. He was running 210 degrees, so we did not have a good start to filming that day. So we jumped in my Dodge, and my Dodge dually, turns out all the rear brakes are right down to metal. So yeah, the Dodge now needs brakes. We had a little incident while we were hauling all the vehicles out of the scrapyard. The forklift popped the fender right off of my trailer, so now we got to fix the fender on the trailer as well. And then once we got to Bob's, his Land Cruiser developed a massive air leak right before we were filming. The 65 Mercedes with 515 horse, that thing just started slipping the clutch. We were hoping to see that thing do a whole lot of burnouts, but we still got a feature for that car, and it is coming in for a clutch. So we'll get that thing doing donuts soon. But we did get something exciting. We got a lead on a truck being built. It has over 800 cubic inches. It's got a set of Rockwells. It's got 58-inch Mickey Thompsons. So Bob's going to put in a good word for us and see if we can shoot that thing. I have rounded up close to 50 vehicles that we want to have featured on our channel. It's just a matter of weather working and people's work schedules and all that kind of stuff. We just keep getting rained on, which is very unusual for here. So we'll move on to what's going on in the shop on the dually. Now I'm going to do a full video on this particular lift kit because it was a 1-ton dually and they don't make a lift kit for this. So we kind of pieced it together with one of my reps from Canadian Light Truck. So we used a lot of 3/4 ton parts, which gives you all sorts of parts that come with it that don't fit this truck, like the U-bolts don't work, all sorts of little pieces. But we currently have a 3-inch body lift and a 6-inch suspension lift on a 1-ton dually that makes it kind of like an 11-inch lift because the frame is actually 2 inches taller than a 1/2 ton or 3/4 ton. And it is massive. It is way bigger than I planned on. Yeah, getting it out might be a little problem, but that's okay. We like those kind of problems. We'll flatten tires. So we do have a 6-inch lift in, kinda. Still got to deal with the steering. We're gonna have to have U-bolts made up because it's a Dana 60, so these U-bolts do not work for this thing. Same as the rears. Big blocks in the back, and you can see stock U-bolts aren't gonna cut it. They don't even make it down to the bottom of the axle. The new U-bolts are actually the same height. 3-inch body lift is in. I only had to cut the floor once. I was hoping I was going to make it, but I just had to cut the driver's side. But it's all in. Currently, we are waiting on another parts car for this one to continue on. We need a whole bunch of little bolts and pieces that are missing. So we are in the middle of waiting for 2 Mustangs to show up to get that project back rolling again. But I just wanted to give a quick weekly update. We do have 5 Days of Bob coming out all week, so please enjoy. Hope you subscribe to our channel. I believe I have another gentleman who wants 6 of his vehicles featured, so we'll do 6 days of his. It's kind of a new fun thing that I'm doing. So I am really on the hunt for vehicles that people are building, the kind of vehicles people are using. I don't care about the cars that are at the car shows. I want those hidden gems that you don't get to see, kind of like Bob's. Bob's got a crazy collection. I really hope you enjoy it all week. And if you want your vehicle featured, please hit us up on ATP Customs Limited on Instagram, atpcustoms.com, or just leave a comment on YouTube. And I would love to talk to more people about featuring vehicles. I got a lot of ideas, a lot of cool things coming. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.